This brand is made in Canada and is available throughout North America but only through a limited dealer network. The units can be standalone systems or they can be integrated with the home's duct HVAC system, but the guarantee on the units is only average when compared to other brands. The H95 TRG models have a 106 CFM capacity with independent electronically adjustable supply and exhaust blowers. The units use automatic timed recirculation defrost that is controlled by an outdoor temperature sensor, and it uses a dedicated recirculation duct connection. They provide for easy installation with connections on the top of the unit and easy twist-in duct collars, and they have MERV6 filters to keep the air clean. The H120 TQG models have a 108 CFM capacity and use timed recirculation defrost, but they do not use a separate recirculation duct. The H280 SRG model has a 284 CFM capacity and the duct connections are on the side of the unit. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.